Hi Scorpios, welcome to my channel. So in today's video we are going to check out your energies for the month of August 2021, Sun, Moon, Rising and Venus sign. In this video I'll be looking at your past, present and future energies, and at the end of the reading I'll be taking out one card for you as a direct message from your person to you. Not one card, I'll take out some messages from your person to you. Just for example, the World card comes. So the answer is, the message is, I want to take this relationship to the next stage. Let's move forward. So this is an example. Before that, just think about a yes or no question for yourself, and it can be any question, just a yes or no as an answer. I will give that to you from this deck only. So just keep thinking what question you want to ask. Think Scorpios, think. Yes or no for my Scorpios. Is it a yes or no for my Scorpios? The answer is no. There is so much happening in my life on all fronts. I am confused about what to prioritize right now. Okay, so many people could not be resonating with this. So let's move to tarot. Okay, so Scorpio, Sun, Moon, Rising and Venus sign, please, August 2021. The obstacle for you this month is the 5 of Cups, and the overall energy is the Queen of Pentacles. Alright, so there's a strong regret from, either it can be from you, it can be from the other person towards you as well. There's a strong regret, a strong sadness which is shown up over here for something which has happened in the past, and you still it was a mistake. It can be anything, but there is a regret, strong regret. It can be a lady because of whom just somebody is there in your heart everywhere with this Queen of Pentacles. It's like you really have this person in your heart. Everywhere you go, you have this person with you. You want to be with this person, but this regret. Okay, so it can be you as well as the other person who is dealing with this regret. Okay, so let's see more energies. So Page of Wands is here, Queen of Swords is here, King of Wands is here, 5 of Pentacles and 5 of Wands. I get it, some of the things, because the separation happened not because of only one person. There were many people involved in this separation. There were arguments, fighting involved. Somebody who was taking charge, because a king and a queen is also here, so it can be your parents, it can be your person's parents as well. Somebody who was really trying to dominate you as you were a child. Okay, it can be like that for many of you, because you were not able to take the decision for yourself, so somebody had to take that decision, and now there are strong regrets coming up of taking that decision. In the past we have the Lovers, the Chariot and Queen of Wands. Might be dealing with a Gemini, or Gemini, Cancer and Leo are here. So wow, I really am getting that feeling that you were in love. So the past energies for me are, you were in love, then you couldn't be together, you just moved on, or you moved on together in that love situation, but all of a sudden either this person becoming a career oriented, or you started becoming a career oriented. Because of that career orientation, or we can say that because of some other priorities, it was just a no-go situation. Okay, at present we have Strength, Knight of Swords and the 6 of Swords. Yes, so somebody has taken that step of not going back to that thing, that relationship again. Whatsoever that decision making, it was really done in a fast, energetic moment. It was not from the heart, it was just from the mind, which I feel. And now you both are at different directions, different priorities, different places. In the future we have 10 of Pentacles, 3 of Pentacles and the 7 of Cups. but somehow some energies are changing. It looks like either you are, it can be the same person with whom you are dealing with, or this can be somebody else, because in the present it looks like it is like, you know, it is a moving on relationship, and all of a sudden there are strong marriage energies. But it can be arranged. You might be involved in a love situation, now you are going towards an arranged marriage. For, I don't know, but I'm getting that messages. Sorry. Okay. Let's see the clarifications now. Let's clarify the reading for my Scorpios. Five of Cups. Why the Five of Cups is here? Sorry. Five of Cups. Why Five of Cups is here? Page of Cups, Chariot, and the Eight of Wands. I feel like somebody is talking someone over here, and although one person wants to really move on, like, you know, I'm not in that past situation, or you are showing the world that you are ready to move on, or you have already moved on, but somewhere in your heart you haven't. Okay, somewhere the sadness is still there, you're still stalking the person, and it is not yet over. It's an unfinished business. The person is in your heart somewhere. Okay. So tell me more about the Queen of Pentacles as the overall energy for my Scorpios. So we have Six of Pentacles, Four of Pentacles, Four of Wands, and the Three of Wands. Yes, the decision has been made. You want to get married to this person only. That is the decision which you want. You have taken somewhere. You want to get back together, but you cannot say no to your parents, because you just cannot. Okay, if parents are involved, or if whosoever parents are involved in this reading, the person cannot say no, not at all, never. You know, I cannot go against my parents. It's that situation. Okay, tell me more about the Queen of Wands in the past. Seven of Wands, Nine of Cups, and the Knight of Swords. Strong ignorance all of a sudden, strong just kicking the person out all of a sudden, without even thinking, without even giving a second thought. I don't know who this is, but you know, somebody just kicked a person out from his or her life. It was a very beautiful relationship though, it was going really well, but I just have to do, and somebody just did something like that. Okay, and that is why, you know, whosoever this person is who did this to the person, who actually where the love was actually there is the regret which is coming up in the energy. Tell me more about the Six of Swords in the present energies. See, Knight of Pentacles, Nine of Swords, and Hierophant. I don't feel that somebody here who is getting, the other person who is getting married is actually ready for the marriage. I don't feel so. The healing energies are still going on. The person is not ready. It's more of, you know, anxiety, depression stage you are going through, whosoever this is. And there's a strong desire of a reconciliation, a strong desire of not leaving that person at all. A strong desire. Tell me more about the Ten of Pentacles in the future. It could be like, you know, the cards are Seven of Swords, Page of Wands, and Knight of Wands. It could be that a person could have, you know, there was a betrayal from the other end towards you. It could be like that, but still, you know, when we do some actions and when we are really small to do those actions, it could be that a strong immaturity thing which was there with the person. But in the future as well, you know, this thing will always come up in your mind. Although you get married to anyone, or this person to anyone, there will always, this thing will be there. Three of Pentacles I want to see. Hermit, Ace of Cups and the Magician. Yeah. New energies coming up, but with that, strong healing is also going on. This is that soul searching mode where somebody needs that soul searching energies. You cannot just be from I have ended that relationship, now I'm ready to move on with someone else, I'm ready to just get married. No, I don't see somebody who is just getting married because the other person is healed. No, this is the that state where no one is healed from the situation, and it's just the satisfying of the ego that is going on. Tell me more about the Seven of Cups. Either you are, I feel that either you are involved with more people here. Let me tell you, the cards are Six of Cups, Three of Pentacles and Ten of Pentacles. Yeah, so this is like looking to more and more new people. This is more about exploring the options. Basically, you or your person is trying to explore other options other than the person with whatever happened in the past. There is a sudden need where you really need to just communicate with each other once again and then end it out, because no healings are yet shown here. No one is healed. Strong inner energies are there where the regrets are there, sadness is there, but still that because the other person betrayed, that angerness is also there. So to take some another decision like getting married without even getting healed, that is something which is just off the roads. All right, so let's see what are the messages from your person to you. Messages for my Scorpios from their person. So we have Page of Cups. I want to enjoy some cute romantic time with you. I plan on surprising you with a gift or message. Okay. Second is Knight of Wands. I want you so badly. I want you now. I am attracted to you. The Chariot. I want you and I am coming for you. And Knight of Cups. Let me be your knight in shining armor. I hope you like romantic love, because that is what I have to offer you. Okay, so that is all from my side, my dear Scorpios. I hope that helps, and we are going to meet you in the next video. Till then, bye.